how do we do it? Well, there's 3 steps to this, starting with nutrition. Now, the most important part of your nutrition is your calorie intake. And although you want to be in a calorie deficit to stimulate fat loss, it shouldn't be as aggressive as it is during a typical dieting phase. As for what that sweet spot is, let's take a look at this 2021 meta-analysis. Researchers pulled together 59 fat loss studies to try to find at what point a calorie deficit becomes too low for building muscle to be possible. Here's a graph of the results. Notice how many people were able to build muscle when the deficit was small. But as soon as it surpassed a deficit of around 300 calories, muscle growth came to a halt and even began to decrease as soon as the deficit grew larger than 500 calories. Now keep in mind, this data is from subjects following standard fitness programs employed in research studies, which usually aren't the most ideal programs for building muscle. So with the optimized training plan I'll show you later on in this video, it's very possible you'll still be able to build muscle even in a 500 calorie deficit and beyond. However, based on this data, if you want to maximize your odds of being able to recomp, it's likely that a slight deficit of around 200 to 300 calories is best. And if you do want some help calculating this, you can head over to buildtwithscience.com/calculator. Okay, so we have calories figured out, but what seems to be just as important is your protein intake.